Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up shipping costs on Wix website. So for example, you can see I am on my Wix website right here. Now to set up the shipping costs, you'll need to go onto your Wix admin dashboard. To access that, you'll go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to hover over site. Then from there, you're going to select My Dashboard. After selecting My Dashboard, you'll be redirected to your admin dashboard as you can see right here. Once on your admin dashboard, you're going to need to add products. So you're going to hover over Store Products and you're going to tap on Products. And I'm going to be adding some example products. So you'll tap on Add New Product or you'll tap on New Product in the top right hand corner. And we're going to select Physical Product. After selecting physical product, from here you'll be able to upload the product image, or if you'd like to upload a product video, you can do that. So I'm just going to tap on add images and I'm just going to add a random image just for example's sake. After adding the random image, from there I can fill in some basic information, for example the product name and so on. So let me do that real quick. So I'll select upload media, then tap on upload from computer, and I'm just going to upload a random image for example's sake. So let's say for example this image, I'll tap on open, then you'll select add to page. After you have added the product image to the page, you can fill in the basic information, for example the product name, so I'll name it test product. Then you'll scroll down, you can also fill in a description, and I'm going to just give it a price of $10. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can fill out the rest of information as you can see right here if you want. So you could add a custom field text if you want and so on. And right where you see inventory and shipping, from here you can add a shipping weight. So let's say for example 1 kg. After selecting 1 kg, you're going to tap on Save in the bottom right hand corner. Once the changes have been saved, it is now time to edit our shipping rate. So we'll go over to the left hand menu option once more. And from here, you're going to scroll down until you see Settings. You're going to tap on Settings from the left hand menu option. After selecting Settings, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, you're going to tap on Shipping and Fulfillment. After tapping on Shipping and Fulfillment, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you can set up whether you'd like to offer free shipping or so on. All you'll need to do is tap on New Region. After selecting New Region, from here you can tap on Add Destination. After selecting Add Destination, you can select the different countries that you would like to ship it to. So let's say for example United Kingdom. I'll type that in right there and I'll select the United Kingdom. After you have done that, you can add more countries if you want. After selecting the country or region, you'll scroll down and from there you'll see select how shipping is calculated. So if it was a case that you would like to offer free shipping, you could simply leave it as free shipping and tap on save. But since we want to calculate a rate, you can either calculate a flat rate that would apply to all customers and their order, or you can select a rate by weight or a rate by price as you can see right there. So let's say we were to select flat rate. After you have done that, you can select the shipping option name and you can type in, so for example's sake we'll call it flat rate shipping. You can type in the name right there, so we'll call it flat rate just for example's sake. Then you can set the estimated delivery time, so let's say 7 to 21 days. After you have done that, you can set the rate right here. So let's say for example the shipping rate is $5. After doing that, you can scroll down, and if you'd like to add a handling fee to every order, you can also do that. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save to save the changes. Now let's say we were to select a different option right here. So we were to select rate by weight. You could tap on that. After you have done that, you can see you'll add the shipping name once more. After adding the shipping name, you'll set the weight and then you'll set the rate, as you can see right there. So that is the option that you will be provided with. And if you were to tap on rate by weight once more, and let's say we were to set it by price, so let's do that. So we're going to tap there, then tap on rate by price. You can see here you'll be able to enter the price, and you can enter the rate by the price, and you can also set up the estimated delivery date, just like what I showed you. Or if you would like to offer free shipping when a customer buys over a certain amount, you can tap right here and you can select the amount that you would like to offer the free shipping on. And you can also tap where you see rate by price once more, and from there you could select rate by product. So let's do that. So let's tap right there just for example's sake and select rate by product, and you can see here you'll create the groups and you'll add the products that you would like to offer, and then you'll set the rate. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.